Rock and roll. Ikaw, Ras, coffee?
Sure.
Sa gigs, ako yung frontman. Pero dito sa pre-prod house, ako yung utosan ni Russell. Tiga-timpla ng kape niya, laba, punas ng likod niya pag pinapawisan. So, ayun nga, lahat ng mga pre-prod studios so far that we worked in, lagi namin binibigyan ng pangalan. Like this one's called Rabbit Hole. Para siyang Alice in Wonderland na vibe. So tara, let's call it Rabbit Hole. So liit lang din yung space. Russ.
So I thought of an idea na we're gonna put in a lot of work for this month and for the next few months to get this whole thing finished. Pinag-bump na lang kami ni Gab. Para madali din, para we have like an HQ, sa Rabbit Hole. Anytime the guys in the band can come and like crack their ideas, or like just hang out and like, eat.
Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Thank you. See, pati ako yung nagsaserve ng food. Tuna.
Araw din.
Ma'am, meron po po kayo kailangan ko.
Oh, may prato po.
Basta yung
And ito yung pinaka-importante pag nagpi-pre-prod kayo. You need to have fresh strings. So sa mga tatanong kung ano yung gauge ng dub, ito yung ginagawa namin, ito yung ginagamit namin ni John. You can only get them at JV Music.
today, Lala is doing pre-prod for bass parts for 2 songs. So far, pre-prod is more or less recording practice tsaka arrangement. So pag nalatag na namin lahat, so we can listen back and listen to the ideas and then fix the arrangements, maybe change a few chords here and there.
Di na mo agiuchi. Ako siya sa muntang.
Pagdating sa studio, praktisado na si Lalay and si Sam.
Na-lay down na namin yung stems na. Pero kailangan pa ng polishing. So after nilalay, polishing na ulit nung breakdown.
Before ka mag-roll, pwede instead of nasa snare pareho, di ba? Yung ending mo, bang, bang, pra. And then yung second mo, mag-snare ka ulit. Pwede yung snare and floor. Hindi. Sige, gawin yung pattern. Hindi.
Yung ano siya, black.
Black.
Okay.
Yun.
Okay.
Okay.
Para
Yun. Sige, track natin.
The second stanza is so good. Ding. Mas okay yung ganito na pagdating sa studio, ready ka na. Hindi yung parang dun mo pa aralin.
The Gab, si Russ, the Airbnb to do pre-prod. And since I have my own setup at home, mas productive na if they do their pre-prod thing done with some of the songs, I do the other songs myself din sa bahay. So it's been fun.
wala, nag-lay-in si Lalay.
Just called,
To say I love you.
the guy sa apart, and would you go?
Okay, sige. Ako i-send.
Dali.
Ako i-send ka ron.
Go. Alay naman. Bounce, wala.
Pindot. Okay, I like it.
That riff was brought to you by Fender. JV Music.
Yeah, that last one was very hard. Pinagawa pa ako ng ganun no? Sa last. But yeah, I did it.
Ang give ba ng humana? Natapos natin yung give?
Tapos sa
Okay.
So, walo na.
Ano
Walo.
nangyayari?
Hindi, nawala kasi yung whiteboard pen para dyan.
Sana yun?
Para dapat parang...
Pero hindi pa namin nagagamit. Very important din yung pre-prod kasi parang at the same time it doubles as practice for us for recording. And then we get to really arrange as nahihimay din namin yung mga kanta. It could be good, it could be bad, pero at least prepared.